How to turn off game and app notifications on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off game and app notifications on Facebook mobile. First thing, go to Facebook and then click these three lines here in the top corner and go down until you find settings and privacy and then click settings, and now just go down until you find this one, apps and websites. Click on it and then just click on this one, game and app notifications, and click turn off. And as you see now, game and app notifications have been turned off. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.